Hello, everybody. Welcome in our Liquid studio. My name is Linda Karen. I'm joined by Nico. Training's important, and at Liquid we've developed some virtual hands-on technical trainings, and they're hosted by Nico. And Nico, could you tell us a little bit about who this training is for?
Yes, the training is actually for everybody who's interested in Liquid. So it's for partners who need to develop their Liquid propositions, but also for end customers needing to manage and deploy Liquid workspace solutions.
And is it also for people who do not use Liquid yet, to see a little bit more about what it's for?
It's especially for the people who do not use Liquid yet. Of course, other people running Liquid for years also can join us for more knowledge or deeper knowledge. But especially those who didn't work with Liquid at all, it's very important to understand the flow of Liquid. So we take them through the flow during full days of training to set up Liquid in its base form, then add authentication points, do the deployments, application management, context, make things more dynamic, integrate in external portal solutions, and use our release and patch mechanism. So it's actually a full days of training for everybody who wants to learn more about Liquid and to see how things can operate in their current IT environment.
Okay, so it's a full day training, and in the end, what is the goal after you've completed your training?
At the end of the training, for me it's important that everybody understands the flow of Liquid Workspace. It's for most people a complete new solution with a little bit of a different look and feel to it, a little different flow inside a program. And I want to see the full potential of Liquid. I want to show them to it so they can build a full Liquid workspace environment for themselves, hands-on, by themselves without the need of us as a vendor.
Okay. Anybody who wants to sign up, do you need any prior knowledge of Liquid?
You don't need to have any prior knowledge of Liquid. You do need a Windows-based machine which you can work on because it's a hands-on training. So it's a practical training. You do exercise yourself. You set up your own Liquid environment. So you have to have a laptop or at least another workspace you can run on. But no prior knowledge is required.
Great. So did we interest you in taking a Liquid training? Take a look at our website, liquid.com/online events, and you can see our schedule of upcoming trainings.